Bonjour Gakanawiya and welcome to Ojibwe Word of the Day. Today I'm going to share 3 words with you for deer. The first is Waawaashkeshi. Waawaashkeshi is the word for a white-tailed deer, and it actually describes the white flash of their tail. Waawaashkeshi. And the word for a doe is onijanu. Onijanu is the word for a doe. Some may also call a doe a noozhe-waawaashkeshi. That just means female deer, whereas onijanu is specific for just a doe. And a small deer, a fawn, is called a gidagakus. And gidagakus actually describes the spots on a fawn. Although this time of the year, the fawns have lost their spots and they start calling them yearlings, we'd still use the word gidagakus up to this point in time. And a big male deer, they call ayabe. We have deer coming in our yard every day. We've been busy hunting actually for the past few weeks, but I have 2 of my kids who didn't get their deer yet, and they're still sleeping until noon. So I've been watching these deer thinking if they would only wake up, boy, these deer look delicious, but no sign of the kids, and the deer are free to roam. Have a great day. Miigwech. Miigwech, Waawaashkeshi Indigenous.
Dijigukwe Indigu.
And that was
Ojibwe Word of the Day.
Miigwech.